fields are email and password. Check if email is registered, or else will return user data if the email is registered.
Hmm.
Then check with the password if match. So let's try to first create. So let's go to do page. So in do page, first what we are going to create is we are going to I don't think so. Like we need any extra method in do page, because with this email exist itself we will
Yes, sir,
get
we
the
can
data,
do
email and
everything in the
password, right?
service
We'll get
page.
the data, and then with this both we can check and compare, like whether it is successful or not, right? So I
Yes, sir.
think we don't need any login, so directly we'll jump into user service and we'll try to copy this register. Okay, we'll try to paste it here. Login. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just remove this all, so that you people will get again clarity. Again we can write, no problem, but you should get clarity step by step. Okay, you can do copy paste also, but no issue. Okay, so we are taking from here email and password. So what we are going to do now, first we are going to check with is email exist,
Exist.
right? And we
Yes.
are going to make it async, so that is fine, and we are going to write await, and we are just going to write user do dot is email exist.
Exist.
Okay, so
Tell
we are
you.
going to write is email exist. So in same way, like in is email exist, we are going to pass and payload, because I think here we are taking payload dot email, so we'll pass payload. So
Hmm.
same way we are just passing the payload. Okay,
Reload.
so we will get the data. I think when data won't be there, then we'll just return, because if data won't be there, then we are just telling like, okay, the user is not registered in the application, right?
Hmm.
So we are doing here if
If
not is email exist, then what we are going to do, we are going to return reject. Okay, we are just writing a message and writing like email is not
is not
registered
registered.
with application.
Hmm.
Okay,
Please
please
register. Sign up.
sign up. That's it. I think some message we are going to get. Okay, I think that's enough. But if email exists, then you will get a object out of that. So in that object, so email is already verified, right? In this line, email is verified. Like we understood, like, okay, email is there. With email, some data is there in the database. So email is existing. Now next will be like after email existing, what we are going to check. So this will give you the object array, right? Sorry, object. It will give you with email, name, and password, right? So it will give you the object of email, name,
Name,
and password,
password.
right? So now we are going to check with password, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to do if payload dot password, because from front end people are sending the payload, right? So
Hmm.
payload dot password. Okay, we are going to compare with uh,
Email
is email
exist dot
exist,
password
is email exist
dot
dot
password.
password. Okay, so
Yes,
that
sir.
we are going to do, I think here. Oh, okay, I'm writing in the wrong place. Basically here I have to write. Okay, so now if password is matched, then what we are going to do, we are going to tell user like it's successful, right? But if not matched means, else means password does not match with the whatever password we have in the database.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are going to again send a reject.
Now,
Okay, and we are going to write message as
password is incorrect.
invalid
Okay, invalid.
password, please
Check.
re-enter. Okay. Okay, something like that we are going to provide a message.
Mm.
Understood this much?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if password match, so what we are going to do if password match means we are going to first create a JWT, so that we are
No.
going to install Sri, that JWT is JSON web token, right? It's a
Yes. Yes, sir.
JSON
JSON web
web
token.
token in a hyphen, right?
I think it should be continuous.
It should be continuous. Huh? Sri, can you confirm once?
1 second, let me check.
Check. Okay, so once we completed with this JWT, so what we are going to do, instead of writing directly everything here in the login page, what we'll do, we'll try to create in a util folder.
JSON web token, continuously everything.
JSON web token. Okay, 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 we have completed installation. Okay, so what I was talking, like we are not going to write everything here, we are going to create a service of JSON web token service. Okay, fine. So I think, yeah, so in that we'll send the token, we'll send the payload, and then we'll get the token, and again we'll send the token, we'll get the payload. Okay, so we'll do one thing, we'll go to utils folder and we will just create a JWT service.js. Fine, service.js. So
Yes,
here
sir.
first we'll create const JWT
Mm.
service. Okay, and then we'll do module dot export JWT service. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So now here we will create a two methods. Okay, one method is what we can get, create token. Okay, that is one method we'll create. Okay, and another method will create verify token.
Huh.
Okay, I'm doing very step by step, slowly, so that you people will not get confused if I'll do everything at once. Okay, fine, these two you got to know.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now this service we are going to user service. Okay, and we are going to import first user service. In user service we are going to import that this one. So we'll just do JWT
Service.
service flag. Okay, we'll just go dot slash utils slash JWT service. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So now, okay, I think so we have where is that, compared with the password. So after comparing the password, what we'll do, we'll just write here some statement, create a token, create a token. So how to create a token? So before creating a token, we have to create a payload to pass to the token, right? So we can't send every email user detail to the token, right? So I think last time I remember I have told you we are going to use one role as
Name.
well, right?
Role.
Role,
Uh,
right? So we are going
Role.
to
Yes.
use a role. Sri, what will be this one? Type stringer
yeah.
and
Yeah, role will be streaming.
enum, like this it will be enum admin. Correct? This is
Yeah.
student. Okay, as of now only two will keep, one is student and one this one, and then
Like you also did, right? Check.
default will just pass as student. Okay, we'll just register normal as student. This is fine now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will go to okay, I have that Studio 3T. I don't think so, I don't have a Studio 3T. I'll just go to terminal. Okay, I'll just go to terminal.
This one, enum admin student should be capital, right? Generally.
What is that? Correct, correct, correct it, correct it. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay, let me first clear this. I don't know. I'm not able to zoom it. Okay, I'll let no issue. I'll just write so dbs. So we have a db called, I think, MVC
MVC.
db, right? Okay, so I'll
Uh-huh.
just write use MVC hyphen db.
Okay.
Okay, and just write so collections users, right? Okay, so
Yes.
db dot users dot uh, how to delete a collection.
Delete collection.
uh,
Uh,
db
Yes.
dot users dot delete collection.
Delete.
Delete.
Drop how
No.
to drop collection.
Mm.
yes, sir.
Something is there to drop.
User
Okay,
drop.
we'll do one thing, db dot users dot delete many. I'll just try this. Okay, so what is happening, missing requirement. Oh, okay, so we'll just try this.
Drop collection.
Deleted. Okay, fine. So I have no, I have not, no issue, not of dropping the collection. So we can again re-enter. And Kulsum, some more thing you are telling, like one this field, a role field, any other field we have to add. You are talking about some field,
No, sir, no.
no, right?
db dot users dot drop. If you'll do, no, it will get drop.
db dot users dot.
Drop.
Drop. The
That's it.
delete menu will
Drop is
delete
the
the documents of the collection.
documents of the
Huh?
collection. Yeah. So you are talking about when we write db dot
Users
collection.
dot drop.
User dot.
Okay, db dot
Users.
user. Sorry, yeah, user.
Users dot
Users dot drop.
Drop.
It's a method.
Wait. Parenthesis.
Parenthesis means
Mm.
open bracket, close
Give
bracket. You.
parenthesis. Round brackets. Round brackets.
Ah, that's it.
Enter.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, no issue. So again, I'll restart. Okay.
Hmm.
So I think, yeah. So we are going to role now. We are going to assign a role. So by default, it's taking a student role. So no need to think about passing the role. Okay.
Hmm.
So separately, we'll create an admin role. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So let me re-register. What is happening? It's telling me to sign up. Okay, yeah.
Sir,
I
you're
got.
sharing the postman?
Yeah. I'm just bringing the postman over here. Okay, so here we were doing name, age, password, email, phone, and after that we can do uh, what is that?
Roll no need to.
No,
Role.
role no need to write, right? Okay, fine.
Automatically it will.
Okay, so we have Ganesh, and we'll just write. So by default, Ganesh will be now this one. What is that?
Student.
Student, right?
Uh,
Okay, we have got error. Oh,
Didn't started
didn't
server.
started. Okay. So yeah, so we have connected, right? So
yes, sir.
Ganesh role is uh, student, and one more role will pass. So let's pass a role as admin and change Kulsum. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So right now you are seeing we are just passing return type as name, email, and ID, right? So I think we
Yes.
can
Yeah.
pass the role as well. It's fine. Yeah, no issue.
No, whatever you are returning, that only it will display actually. If you will display role, it will display role. While in response.
That's what I'm talking about. We have to return role as well now.
Yeah.
Yes. There.
So yeah, here name, email, and underscore id is fine, and then a role. So we have
Result
result
dot
dot
role.
role, right? Result dot role. Okay, and then we can go to user do and we can just write a role colon 1, right? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have created two things. Now let's try to log in to Ganesh first, and he's a student. So see, so this one, this is email exist will give you basically what it will give you. I think it will give you the
An
object
object of
object
object.
having four things. One is email,
Email
name,
name.
Name,
password,
password,
and
role.
role, right?
Yes,
Email,
sir.
name, password, and role. Okay,
Uh,
but we don't need to use password for creating the token, right? We don't need to pass the password in the token. So what we can do, we can create a token over here.
You
So
can
let's
just delete from there.
create a
mm,
token. So what we can do, we can just write uh, dot, okay, uh, what is that? No, okay, you mean to delete, right?
Hmm.
So okay, so fine, you are asking me to delete
What is the payload?
result is email.
Here there is no result,
No,
no?
I think we can change this is email exist to result. That should be better. Or user object. User object is the best one. We can just make, okay, here is email exist.
use. That is the function, sir. We are calling.
Hmm.
No, we are not calling here. I did mistake.
Already he is
User
using that user object now.
obj
Uh-huh.
That is only it will be.
user obj. That mistakenly I just write, because we are checking with the payload password with user obj password.
Line number
Uh-huh.
33, already we are getting data. Why
Yeah,
need
yeah,
to
that is fine. That is
Uh-huh.
fine.
Why
That is
need to
okay.
call?
use some I'm telling?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we are deleting user obj, okay,
That
dot
password.
password. Okay, fine. And
Uh,
then we are passing the, okay, so what we are doing, we are going to take the JWT service here, JWT service dot create token, and in token we are passing payload, so that is user
User object.
obj. Okay, and before this we are just trying to print the log. So what is the user obj?
mm,
User obj, fine. So just printing that user obj. Okay, and we will just try to write some message as well.
It's okay, it will give
User
automatically.
obj, no, for creating token, other it will get confused if you want to give the message. Okay, fine.
yes, sir.
So yeah, so it will take the token. So what we are going to do, okay, so here in the JWT, so as I have told you, we have a create a token. So here first it will take the payload,
Hmm.
right? And we have one more thing that is called secret key. So I think we can write here or we can write in the env file. That is not a problem.
Hmm.
So better we'll do one thing. We'll
ENV only write.
env only will write.
Shleka, are you observing everything?
Okay, so we'll just write
Yeah.
Skanda,
secret
you?
key. Okay, so we can just write MVC at the
Ah,
rate
Papa. Enter.
1 to 3, right? Anything we can write the key. Okay,
Okay.
so once env is, then we can delete, and then we can go to JWT service. We can import. So what we can do, we can write, what is that, db
Process
dot what is it,
dot net.
something
Dot
Uh,
ENV.
dot
dot env.
dot env.
Focus.
Const dot env equals require dot
Have you installed .env?
env. I think yeah, I already have installed in the index.js page. We have checked, right?
Mm.
Require
Yes.
env. So I think that's enough. Okay. Ah no, but I think yeah, we can directly access because anyway .env we have configured already. So we can directly
Ah,
access
but you are using
here.
JWT service, which is inside utils.
Okay,
It's
let's
there is no
try
connection for
to.
there and here. You
Okay, you
have to
mean
import.
that, right? Okay,
Mm.
let's see because everything is connected. All the
Okay, we'll
index.js is
check. We'll
connected
check.
to all the pages. But let's try to check whether it's happening or not. So just try to console.log and we'll just write secret key. I think yeah, it won't. You are correct. It won't take. But let's see. I think it's all are connected. So we'll just write
We have to import.
env
process.env dot
secret key.
secret underscore key, right? Okay, okay, one thing. Okay, fine, so no issue. Okay, so what we can do here, so we have create token and passing the payload and passing the, okay, let's see what is happening first. Okay, so
1 second.
okay,
It won't print console. Why I am telling you are exporting JWT service and you are trying to print it. You have to invoke here. Now invoke here that console. Now it will print.
no, no,
Line number 3, 2. Line number 2. Paste it.
you mean inside the object?
Inside of object. That is object.
No, 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 one
No, no.
second.
Wait.
No, no,
Inside create
be
token.
silent, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Okay. So let's try to start. Okay.
I'm not disturbing you. I told the correct way.
Okay. Things are getting recorded. Okay. So we are going to do login and we are not going to use the validator as of now. We are just taking the requested body data and then body data in the controller and we are just going to write a login. Okay. And then we are going to write 200, 500 for the error message, and then we are going to go for user service. So user service login is there, and same way we are going to check with the user do and create a token. So anyway we are calling this, so we'll see. Anyway we are not sending anything, so let me just return here, return true value as of now, so to check whether the things are proper. And then we are going to user controller and user service dot login we are passing, and let's see what is happening. Okay, so let's, okay, let me check here, login, and let me pass email is password. Okay, so let's try to check. Okay, something is happening. Okay, we have got, I think, secret key MVC in JWT, right? So we have got that key. So it's confirmed that we are getting the key on the JWT service, right? Okay, so let's not wait for this because it's not returning anything. So let's cancel this. Okay, fine. Okay, so yeah, so we have got the secret key and we have got the payload, right? So what we are going to do,
Yes, sir.
we are, okay, secret key. So we are going to do let secret key equals, okay, secret key we have collected, and then we have payload. So we are passing the payload from the user service, user obj, and we didn't check one thing, like, see here, I think it's not deleting the things. Why it is like that? No, it's not deleting, I think. ID, name, email, password, and role. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's write the payload with object dot assign, okay, and then we will write
I think for Kulsum we wrote admin, right? Why it came student?
Kulsum, we wrote admin, right? Okay, why it went student means there is a issue with the register DO. So here we have not mapped here role, right? That is the problem here. Payload dot role. Okay, so that is one fix we have done, and now let's go to service page. So we can, so why it's when we are deleting, it's not deleting the things. We are trying to delete user obj dot password. Okay, okay, got it, got it, got it. Okay,
Spelling mistake.
no, I think what I'm thinking, like, so if we delete the user obj dot, so what it returns, tell me.
It will returns the deleted
It
one.
returns remaining one if you will
Remaining one or
console.
deleted one?
It will give you whatever left over.
Left over, right?
Hmm.
That's what even I was thinking, same, so that we no need to. Okay, let's try to do once again.
Hmm.
I
You could have given some
It's
name or
returning
something.
true. It's returning true.
Give something. Okay,
No, no,
wow, that
delete
is
is
not.
giving you true. So payload is,
Instead of payload, oh yeah, payload will give that only. You have to check for user obj.
okay, okay. No, but yeah, but it's not.
That means it's deleted. Pay true means it's deleted. It's according to that. No,
Okay, no, it's not
but
deleting. Not deleting.
yeah.
Okay, we'll do one thing. No need to get tension for all those things. We'll do one thing. We'll just try to write token payload. Okay, token payload. We'll just write here. Okay, we are writing name, user obj dot name, no issue for that, and we are just writing role, user obj dot role, and then we are writing user obj, sorry, writing I think role we have written, name we have written, email we can write, email user obj dot email. Okay, fine. So token payload we are going to pass to this. Okay, and once we pass this token payload, so what we are going to do in JWT service, we have created a method called create token, right? And we have not imported the JWT here, so let's import the JWT. So JWT token, right, require JWT
J.
token, this, oh sorry, JSON web token, JSON
Hmm.
web token. Okay, and then we have in the JSON zero token, we have now one method called let token equals JWT dot sign. Okay, this dot sign. So in sign, we have a payload. So we are sorry, we are going to pass a payload
signature options.
plus key, secret key. Okay, so this will give us the token and then it will return the token. Okay, so once this token will return, it will come back to the user service and it will give us the token. So let token equals, so we are getting the token out of this, and then we are going to attach. Okay, so what we are going to do, instead of returning true, we are going to return, not return, I think we are going to just write resolve. Okay, resolve with what we decided. We have decided a message as user logged in successfully, that is one thing. And then we are going to attach our data. So data, we will just write token payload. Okay, token payload and then token, right?
Yes, sir.
Token colon token comma
Token payload.
dot 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 token payload. Fine. So we are going to attach that, and yeah, so I think data and the message, I think that is enough, right? Other what is required? Nothing is required, I think. Okay, so that we are going to give back to the user, right? I think that's it. Okay, so I think it's done for our scenario for login. Let's try to check. So we are going to send the login with role and token. So create a token and then send the token. Okay, I think we have got. So let's restart the server. Understood anything? Any doubt is there for you?
No, sir.
Okay, so I think now Kulsum, anyway, she is student, no problem. What is happening? Okay, something has been.
Because you have to import JWT, something is wrong. Importing is wrong.
No, no, not wrong. JWT token is wrong. Naming convention is wrong.
Either one.
Okay, so you can see we have got message as user logged in successfully, and we have got token, name, role, and email. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is the data which will be sending after login, right? So
Yes, sir.
login is fine. So now once you what is that, let's suppose we are going to do update user. Okay, so let's try to update user. Okay, but we have created two people, both are student, right? So let's create one more people.
The admin.
Okay, so I'm creating one more people, having now we'll just pass role as admin. Okay, not small one, I think. Okay, so let's create a one more admin. Everything is fine, I think. Okay, so C is admin. So C has only right to update the API. Okay, other people does not have right. Like two persons are there, one is Ganesh and one is Kulsum, so both should not able to update the API. Only Sri should be able to update the API, right? That update API basically. So we have done half part of the JWT. Now we are going to do second part of the JWT. This much is clear, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Be serious. Okay. Now let's create a update query, right? So in update query, what we are going to do? So we are going to do DAO page, right? So we are going to create a
Update.
update user. Okay, just write update, no issue. Okay, fine. So in update we are just writing the id and payload to update, right? Two
Mm.
things will be there, and then just we write user model dot update one. Okay,
Mm.
just writing the underscore id colon id comma what is that, dollar set colon payload. Fine.
Mm.
Is this fine, or I'm just doing? No, no,
Not
it's not fine. It's
sure.
not fine. It's not fine. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay. So I'll just write like this way, and I'll just try to return. Fine. I think this is
Mm.
okay for updating the user payload. Okay. Now what we are going to do in service, we are going to create a update.
Mm.
If we will do directly dollar set payload, it will set every data. Huh? No need to specifically give.
Whatever payload you will pass, everything will get set. Okay. Okay. So we'll just write update payload, and then we are just no need to check if user exists or not, so we'll just try to delete this all. Okay. Okay, better I'll delete everything, so that will be good. Okay, so what we are going to write, we are going to do user do dot update. Okay, and
Oh,
then
Well,
we are going
ID
to
payload.
do dot then
mm.
and dot catch. Okay. How?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to pass here id comma payload. Sorry,
Already payload.
already payload is there. Okay,
Hmm.
so we are going to pass here same id comma
Payload.
payload. Fine. Dot result. Okay, and then error. Okay, so we are going to send here res dot send. We'll just write here
Yes.
message as user data updated, and then we are just writing the I think we can write here result. Let's write result. Let me see. Okay, or else we are just sending the reject error. Okay, whatever error came, we are just sending that error. Okay, in object file. Okay, so I think that's done for the user service as of now, but we are going to change that. Okay, so user controller will go, and we'll try to copy this, try to paste it. Okay, so we'll just write attach what is that, update. Okay, so we are going to get a body data for this one,
Mm.
and then we are going to get the id
ID.
colon id, right? So we
Yes.
are going to
Colon.
get id what is that, what is that, request dot
Request dot parents dot
parents
ID.
dot id, right? So same thing we are going to do update. We are going to pass the id, and we are going to pass the body data, right? I think it's fine.
Mm.
Okay, so
Mm.
I think it's done.
Um,
Now
you have already taught them, right? Path param, query param, request body, all those.
Yes,
already
sir.
they know,
Yes,
already
ma'am.
they know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's update it. So let's write update, and in the body we are just passing name, right? So let's pass the age. Okay, I think we have to restrict the password to be passed as an update, right? Because otherwise people can update But anyway, it's fine. Like, no, no, it's fine, no issue. Okay, so I think we are going to just not pass the role, but we are going to just change Sri Gmail and name. I'll just write Sri Vidya. Okay, Sri Vidya. Okay, so we are just going to update this, and meantime we are going to copy this ID. Okay, because that is Sri ID only, and we're
Hmm.
going to just pass the ID. Okay, so let's try to check with this whether it's happening or not. Okay, it's an error. What is the error? Body data in controller. So it's a Srividya and srividya@gm.com. Okay, where it's getting break.
Maybe the service resolved dot send you have used.
Rest.send. Yeah, fine. It's fine.
Let's see. In the service page.
In the service page, you mean service page? Oh, oh,
Without the send.
okay, fine. Got it. Okay, let's try to do once again. Okay, but it's not updated because see, it's saying match count is 1, but updated count is
Zero.
0. Why it is so? I think with this ID is fine, right? Okay, let me check what is the ID on the user DAO log ID comma, what is it, payload. Let me check what is coming here.
Dollar set is issue or what?
No, dollar set should not be issue. I'm seeing ID is coming proper, but whether this ID is exist or not, maybe this ID is not proper. Update one is fine here. Let me go to terminal and check. Okay, so collections
Compass you don't have.
users, what is that? No, I
One
don't
more
have.
compass.
db dot users dot find dot pretty. Okay, let me check. Sri Vidya. Okay, Sri Vidya object ID is this, but yeah, but it's got updated, right?
Hmm.
It's got updated, but it didn't. Oh, okay, got it. When first time we triggered, right, because of
Two
resolve
times.
dot send, it didn't give me the proper message, but it got updated. That's why again next time it's just told like match count found, but update not happened because we didn't change anything, right? So
Hmm.
let's try to do
Yeah.
one thing. Sri Vidya Chalur will do. Chalur. Okay. So now it will come as a proper update. Okay, so I think we are already server on. So now it's saying yes, user updated successfully, and then we can see modify count as 1 and match count as 1. So both should be 1, right? Okay.
Wow.
So yeah, so I think yeah, we are able to update the user, but right now you can see Srividya can able to update, right? So
Yes,
let's
sir.
Yes,
suppose
sir.
we are creating this API to not update the name and email, but update the what we can tell, update the address. Sorry, what is that? Let me check. Let's suppose age is 29, right? All age is 29, I guess. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's suppose right now Kulsam and Ganesh age, they can they can also change now, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I pass
Yes.
the Kulsum ID, sorry, Ganesh ID, I'm just passing the Ganesh ID here, okay, and I'm just passing the Ganesh name. So I'm just writing Ganesh. Ganesh, I don't know your name properly.
Send.
Yes.
Ganesh, yes. Okay,
Yeah.
In this.
okay. So I'm just writing here Ganesh S. Okay, and now if Ganesh will pass age as means anything. Let's suppose he's just updating the age as well. Okay, he's just updating the age as well, so he's just updating 30, right? Now when he send this, Ganesh will be updated, right? So now see, Ganesh document has updated Ganesh S and age has updated at 30. So let's
Huh.
suppose now we are restricting Ganesh to not update his data at all. Okay, because he is a student,
Hmm.
right? He is a student. So how to restrict that? How to
Okay.
restrict Ganesh not to update, not to use the update operation on this, right? So what we
Okay.
are going to do right now, whatever token Ganesh will be getting, that token we are
Hmm.
not using anywhere.
Hmm.
Ganesh
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
just getting the token. Like see, once we go to Ganesh at the gm.com, and then when we are going to do password as ASTF1234, okay, login of this, okay, and okay, I'm just copying this and going to login body. Okay, fine. So
Okay.
when Ganesh will log in, you can see Ganesh is getting role as student, right?
Student.
And
Huh.
Yes.
token. So he's getting
Hmm.
the token. But when he's calling this update API, he is not passing the token,
Hmm.
right? He's not passing the token.
Yes, sir.
So what happens here? Like he's able to update his data.
Hmm. He's able to
So
do.
now, right now, what will happen? So when we pass the token from the server to the front end, what
Hmm.
front end people will do, front end engineer, so what they'll do, they will just copy this token, okay?
Hmm.
They'll store this token either in cookies or either in application, in the
Hmm.
local storage or session storage, right? So when this token will be there, so when calling any API, they
Hmm.
have to pass this token to access that API. Okay, so let's I think yeah, time is more. Okay, so let's try to check tomorrow how we can use this token to restrict the user, and how we can use this token to allow the user to access the API. Right now, without token also, Ganesh can able to access the API, or Sri is also able to access the update API. But later we are just restricting. Okay, without token you are not allowed to access the API. That is first thing. Next thing we'll see, even though you are able to allow, you are allowed to access the API, but you are not allowed to do such some operations like update operation. Even though you are allowed, but you are not allowed to do that operation.
Hmm.
So that two things we'll check tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.